Heii Jingles! Welcome back to Home Cook. Today's recipe is Paneer Nest. The ingredients required are grated paneer 150 gram, 2 boiled potatoes, coriander 1/4 cup, chilli powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, chaat masala 1 tablespoon, garam masala 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste and vermicelli. Take a bowl, add grated paneer, mashed potatoes, coriander, salt, chili powder, chaat masala, cumin powder, garam masala and turmeric. Mix well until it becomes a soft dough. Take a small size ball and make the aloo paneer mix into nest shape shown here. Do the same for all the paneer and refrigerate for 15 minutes. For paneer eggs, ingredients are grated paneer 50 gram, pepper powder, corn flour 2 tablespoons, salt as per taste. Take a bowl, add grated paneer, salt, pepper powder, corn flour and mix it well. Take small size bowl and roll it gently. Do the same for all. For nest coating, take maida slurry and vermicelli. Coat it with both properly. Now heat the pan and roast the paneer eggs. Now your egg is ready. Then roast the paneer nest until it turns golden brown. Your tastiest paneer nest is ready. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel for regular recipes.